Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So it is a user manual of how to activate license added DDS or other format kits inside unlicensed team that has no config files of license kit. So it is very useful for program Julian Games Kit Configurator version 2nd. This is an example for the PSPC game 2015, but can be used for any other ones. So once the program is unpacked or installed in C documents, Games Tools and this name, we open the program. Inside it has one example file that we need to keep always. So we are going to open it. So documents. Once it is opened, we can check out what we need, what don't we need. As soon as the thing has been done, here we don't need to do anything at all in this column. You can just activate, deactivate, for example, chest off. As you see, it's off. There won't be a number on the chest inside, in the middle. So we just click then, after done, on Save As. Then we select the ID of the team desired, for example. Then we select which type of kit it is. If it is general kit, just to be licensed, we just leave as it is and select the number of uniform: home, away, and goalkeeper, first or even the second one. Then we save the file. For example, I'm going to save it. Successfully saved. So now we return to our documents and we have created file with such a name. Then we just copy this file to our folder, inside a CPK extracted file to our folder that is situated in Unifrom folder. It has team folder. Just we find our folder that we need, or we can create manually, naming it is with the name of the ID. Then inside the folder we just copy the file. So here as example, you see I have created three types of uniforms that can be used. So in such way we can activate copied DDS or PNG or any other format kit that it works, because just copying the files inside the folder and renaming these files to the type of ID desired, and won't change anything at all. So such a manual as this, glorify the God forever.